Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Geometry Dash. To begin, find the Geometry Dash application icon on your computer desktop or mobile device screen. Once located, simply double-click the icon if you are on a computer or tap it once if you are using a mobile device. This action initiates the game's launch sequence. Make sure your system is ready for a smooth experience, as this is the first step to enjoying the game. Before launching, it is crucial to check your system's specifications. First, confirm your operating system is compatible with the game. Next, ensure you have at least 2 GB of RAM available for optimal performance and smooth loading times. Finally, always keep your graphics drivers updated to their latest stable version. This proactive step can prevent many common launch issues and significantly improve your gameplay experience from the start. If Geometry Dash does not open, don't worry, there are simple troubleshooting steps. Begin by restarting your computer or mobile device, which often resolves minor software conflicts. If that doesn't work, use your game platform's launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This checks for corrupted data. As a last resort for persistent issues, consider completely reinstalling the game to ensure a fresh installation. For more advanced solutions, consider running Geometry Dash in compatibility mode if you are using an older operating system. This can help resolve specific software conflicts. Additionally, if you experience performance issues after launching, try adjusting the in-game graphics settings to a lower preset. Finally, closing unnecessary background applications before launching can free up valuable system resources, ensuring the game runs as smoothly as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.